Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
So we're gonna walk all the way down it, and we have some beautiful black and white tiles on the pavement, and we also have a lot of artwork as well, so we're gonna try to capture as much as we can. And then we have more of these seating arrangements, so this is also these same white blocks that were in front of the coffee shop. And then this one, you have see no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil. And you've got a Portuguese ship. Okay, so we're gonna walk down Ervanários Street, and it's basically this little path with the black and white tiles. It's a Portuguese tiled pavement, and we're gonna go all the way down. And way down there, you can also see Grand Lisboa Casino through this little area right here. So that's gonna be our focus street. And just to kind of give you some context, this is a pedestrian walking street right here, and then right on the other side of this building is where the cars can go. So, and then you got all these other little patios. There's tons of cool stuff everywhere in here. But we're gonna be doing this street right down there, and we're gonna try to capture a lot of the artwork that's kind of everywhere in here as well. So stay tuned for Rua dos Ervanários. Okay, so we're going to start here. This black and white tile, I think I remember hearing that this used to be where a border gate, this was like one of the oldest ones that would go to the border gate historically. And so this is kind of a, it's called Rua dos Ervanários, which is like street of the Herbalist. And then if you keep going down that way, it goes all the way down towards some churches, Santo Antonio, St. Anthony's Church, which is the actual border gate. So this one would have been basically connecting to that border gate. So we're gonna walk all the way down it, and we have some beautiful black and white tiles on the pavement, and we also have a lot of artwork as well. So we're gonna try to capture as much as we can of all the different stuff. So they'll actually paint these ones as well. So we'll see more of those in the future down the path. And it's actually about 10 in the morning right now. So this is actually kind of rare, because usually this is filled with tourists. And you got all kinds of nice little shops in here too. So that's tourist shop. This coffee shop is very popular. So you'll see a lot of people here. And there's a temple right there, right next to it. Let me just kind of briefly. And if you walk in, there's a small temple here. Shrine and a shrine. So we are going to walk back up. So this little shrine here is right next to our Ervanários Street. So people will come and take care of this one as well. And then you got a coffee shop with some places to sit. So these white blocks are part of the sitting arrangement, and this will be opened up. So I will attach some other Ervanários streets at the end of this one, and you can see what it looks like at other times. Huh. Looks like they're doing something in this one. You can kind of see how they're built. So a lot of them will have rooftops. So they'll go up to the second story up here. So that one we can kind of see the inner workings of it. Let me go into this space real quick. And then we have more of these seating arrangements. So this is also these same white blocks that were in front of the coffee shop. And then this one, you have see no evil, hear no evil, speak no evil. And you've got a Portuguese ship right there too. Okay, so we're gonna move down this way. And then this, that's kind of interesting. That one goes up quite a ways. And then this one is a kind of a popular little space too. And then you got some artwork, so this will be opened up in the daytime as well. And we're just gonna walk down it real quick. But you have some nice artwork. You can see, still got our black and white tiles. You have bird cages down here. Ton of them. You got another little restaurant on the corner right down there. The public bathrooms is right around the corner as well. Some nice lanterns too. Okay, so we're coming back. There's our target street right there, Ervanários. So we started right there. That's our street sign, Ervanários. Let me come up a little bit closer. Right there. Here we go, Ervanários. Got more artwork here. Okay. This is for shrine. And this one, antiques. Even got the, these will ward off evil spirits. This one and this one, so they'll hang this over the doors. And you got shrines as well. Okay. So we're gonna keep on moving. Looks like a little tour group is perched out in front of a food truck. Then you have this sign right here too, this audio. So they're promoting it, and they got this kind of cool stuff up in here. Vegetarian restaurant as well. It's a vegetarian restaurant. Go all the way through. Got a Coca-Cola museum with the green dragon right there. We're gonna capture that green dragon. There we go. Pretty cool. Okay. There's actually a hotel right here. House of Lotus Hotel. So somebody wanted to stay on that street. This is how you do it. You just scan that little code with your phone. There's also a map of the location of it. Pension house. Another little gem store. Gems Awakenings. I don't think I've seen that before. Earth magic, crystals, tarots. Okay. Huh. That's kind of cool. They gave it a name there. So tea and pearl artisans. And here's jade carving. So you have some nice, interesting businesses all along this way. We're gonna keep on walking down. That one is closed. This one is a coffee shop. Porta de Art. And then you can actually go upstairs as well. And then this one has some more places to sit and get some pork chop buns. Then we got some more artwork down in here that I'll highlight. I'm showing you with this, that's that parallel street. There's a monk down there. So yeah, they do beautify these little electrical things right here. Okay. Then down this way is this is Travessa das Janelas Verdes, so you'll see these green windows straight down that way. So we're gonna just keep on moving down our alley though. But it has kind of an interesting name, green windows. Over the moon. So that's our focus street right here. We'll move down further. I got stamps here. Another tea shop. I'll keep on moving down. Art has no rules. Another one of those white blocks. I think that's a coffee shop here. And this street will end in a moment. So it is, there's a coffee shop to the left, which is right there. And you can also see this kind of electronic mural right there. So that's the street that we just did. And I filmed this before, and when I look back, I can't see it. It's like one big blur, but actually there's a cat up there. So I won't focus on it because I don't think it's going to come out properly. But it is like a video. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going all the way to the base of the street. And then in a moment I'll turn around and highlight it for you. So again, that's the name of the street, Ervanários. We're gonna come back up here. And I guess the street sign will kind of tell you the location. So Sao Paulo Ruins is that direction, Camões is that way. There's an ancient pharmacy this way. St. Dominic's Church, which is, you gotta go up and over that way a little bit. And Hong Kong Temple. So there's also a temple down this way as well. So let me just kind of show the camera down. And you can also see Pont 16 all the way down as well. It's also kind of an inviting street. This one goes up to Senado Square in Sao Paulo Ruins, down that way. And then Camões Park. Sao Paulo Ruins, you can also go up this back way as well. So, okay. So that was our target street right there, Ervanários. And we will end it right there. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Oh